Hello, I'm Claire Snowden-Darling,
I'm Laura Knowles.
and we are the creators of Functional Kinesiology and the founders of Balance Wellness and the College of Functional Wellness. And we want to talk to you because we have seen over the many years that we have been working in clinic and teaching students how so many modalities miss things out. So if you're not getting your clients where they want to be, or if you are someone on your own health journey not getting to where you want to be, then there are bits that are being missed. We experienced it in the training that we had originally, and we've seen it in so many students that have come from other modalities, which is why we created what we created. But we want to give you this overview of how you can make change in your practice.
In this video, we look at the hormone pathways. We look at the different fundamental foundations that you need to have in place to be able to have whole health.
Yes, absolutely. And we look at things like there are 42 muscles that are linked in the body that actually create structural imbalances, but they're linked to things like digestion. So without looking at those, we're not going to make the changes that we need in people's bodies. So we really would love for you to check out this free video and actually be able to embed some of this knowledge into your practice.